So here we are at the end of our series on flashing LEDs, for the moment at least. This is a prototype I threw together for the Prognostication Engine with a switch and a rotary knob. The knob drives a potentiometer. We've got a 16 pixel NeoPixel ring. This is just a test pattern. At the minute, the way the ring is organised, this is actually pixel 0 up here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 going around anti-clockwise. So we're using a mapping function to map it the other way around. So this is our pixel 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going clockwise, because that makes our lives easier later on. And we've also added a brightness function. I've dimmed these down to only 20% of full brightness, and they're still pretty darned bright. So all we're doing in this particular test is lighting the pixels one after the other with red, then green, then blue, then back again. Okay, so we've loaded a new program. In this case we're still going around in a clockwise fashion, but every time we light a pixel we turn the previous pixel off. And that does give us an end condition, because when we're on pixel 0, the one we want to turn off is pixel 15. And so there are many different ways we can do this. We could do a test, like if we are on pixel 0, then turn off pixel 15. But what we've decided to do is use a cunning equation that's based on the modulo function. And you can see the code if you read the magazine Practical Electronics, the January 2001 edition. This is just a very simple modification on our previous sketch. In this case we're just rotating the pixels anti-clockwise, but that does require us to use a slightly different equation to calculate which is the previous pixel compared to the one we're currently lighting up. So now we're getting down to the nitty-gritty. We're going to use the potentiometer to control the LEDs. These potentiometers have got a range of about 290 degrees for the full rotation. And that means that we can't address the bottom 3 pixels. So I've decided to light those pixels magenta. And in this scheme, what we're doing is we turn the knob around. We've got one yellow pixel that reflects the position of the pointer on the knob. So we can rotate that all the way around to full rotation and back again. Okay, so now we've modified our sketch just a little bit. So instead of just having one pixel that follows the knob, as we turn the knob we're just building them up. So we show all the preceding pixels. So when they're all yellow the knob's fully on, half and half, and it's just a different way of presenting the same information. And in fact there are a variety of other techniques we could use, and we'll be looking at those later.